deep breath in. All the way out. Big release. How'd that feel?
Yeah, it feels really good.
Awesome. Okay, one more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Hand all the way towards me. Just relax the shoulder, okay? And grab here. Just get my palpation. Just relax the head to the left. Drop it. Drop it. Very nice. How'd that feel?
I'm like lightheaded. Oh my God.
Pretty good, huh?
Oh my God. Oh.
All the way out.
Oh.
Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. How'd that feel?
So good.
That was super loud. All right, let's flip you. Okay, neck all the way to my hand. And just drop that shoulder there for me. Perfect. Now just relax the head for me. Drop the head to the left. Drop it. Wow. That was super loud. How did that feel?
Feels really, really good.
Man. Okay, let's start with your arms down by your side for me. Perfect. Now I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid back first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Big release there. Head all the way to the side for me. Relax that shoulder. Do me a favor, drop the head, drop it. Very nice. Good release there.
I didn't know your neck could crack like that until it actually does.
Alright, so I'm going to start by adjusting right in this mid back first, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, all the way out, and come down, give you a little push. Very good. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Get all the way down to my hand. Just relax that shoulder there. Now just drop it to the right, drop it. Big release
Good.
there.
I did not think I was that like tensed up.
Feel good though for all that
thank
tension
you.
release?
Yeah, no,
Yes,
absolutely.
Awesome. Head all the way to my hand, please. Just relax the shoulder here. Just give me full control, okay? Just go ahead and drop the head to the left. Wow.
Sounds like a what is it? Snap, crackle, fall.
How'd that feel?
Good, really good.
Awesome.
Relaxing.
Good. Just relax it for me. Same thing here. A little pull here. Lean back just a bit. To the left, drop it. To the right, drop it.
Oh. Oh gosh, that felt amazing.
Give me a push.